Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're doing a Starlight headliner in my 5th gen Ram. Working on getting all the pieces out, light. There's screws back here. These gotta come out. The mirrors gotta come out, and we're just working on getting it out right now. So we'll update you. Okay, so we're getting there. We got all the clips out. There's a bolt under there. You pop that to get the coat hangers off, the light. Now I think we got to get these ones back here. You get those, there's behind the caps. And then they pop out, and I'm gonna have to try to run the wiring down through there. I might have to pull the seat out later, but I'm gonna try and pop these off, and then we should be able to get the headliner out. We got it out without having to take any seats out. What we did was we dropped it, kind of angled it, and slid it out this way. So it would help if I didn't have so much shit back here. So I'm gonna have to clear that out when we put it back in. But make sure you have everything unclipped. There's a wire back there you gotta unclip. There's 2 bolts underneath those 2 back little plastic pieces. And just make sure you have all the right tools. It helps out a lot. And yeah, so we're gonna head down in the basement and get started on it. We got the headliner in the basement. Here's the kit. Starting to do dots now. The shooting star one right there. And yep. Okay, so today I pulled the passenger seat out and I pulled the back seat out so I can run the wiring back behind there and hopefully not hit the airbag or anything. And I'm gonna mount the box back there too, I believe. And we tried the Gorilla Glue I bought last night. Didn't work too good, so I'm gonna buy a hot glue gun and some hot glue. Hopefully that'll work better for the stars. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when we get back to my girlfriend's house, which is where my headliner's at right now. And we'll try to get it finished up today. That's the plan, but we're in Michigan and it's snowing out, so it's gonna be interesting to get it back in. That's why I took the passenger seat out, so it'll slide in a little bit easier, hopefully. But yeah. Together. We got it back in, pain in the ass, but definitely need 2 people. You gotta fold some of the corners. It should pop back out after it sits for a little bit. And I'm gonna run the wires behind this. Make sure you unplug your batteries so you don't have any issues with the airbags. And I'm gonna figure out all the wiring first and then try to get it pushed back up. We'll see how it goes.